Children, let's we learn main course book and reference book. In both chapters same. The junk seller and money, both same. The junk seller, in this chapter we learn about money. We learn about money. You know money. But look here, the money chart. The currency notes. This is Indian currency. This all notes is Indian currency. 2000 note, 500, 100, 50, 10, 20, 5, 2 and 1. In our Indian system, Indian currency, coins also there. 1 coin, 50 paise coin, 1 rupees coin, 2 rupees coin, 5 rupees coin, 10 rupees coin also there. So this one is a 2000 note, 500 note, 100 note, 50, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 5 rupees, 2 rupees and 1 rupees. You know 1 rupees is 100 paise. 1 rupees is 100 paise. Rupees write in Indian system this type. This symbol is rupees symbol. Which symbol? Rupees symbol. Now here find the value of the following notes. Find the value of the following notes. Here 5 notes of rupees 100. 100 rupees, how many notes are there? 5 notes. Of means relation. Here which relation are there? Here multiplication relation are there. 5 notes of rupees 100, that means 5 multiplied by 100. 100 5s are 500. So rupees 500. Rupees 500. 5 notes of rupees 100. So we get answer here rupees 500. 12 notes of rupees 5. 5 rupees, how many notes are there? 12 notes are there, means 12 multiply 5. So 60 rupees. How many rupees? 60 rupees. 15 notes of rupees 10. 10 rupees. How many notes of 10 rupees? Here 15 notes. How many notes here? 15 notes. So 15 multiplied by 10. So we get answer here rupees 150. 4 notes of rupees 2000. 4 notes of rupees 2000. That means 4 multiply 2000. 2 4s are 8. So rupees 8000. Next one, 8 notes of rupees 20. 8 notes of rupees 20. So 2 8s are what? 2 8s are 16. So 160 rupees. 160 rupees. 25 notes of rupees 2. 25 notes of rupees 2. 25 2s are 50. That means here 50 rupees. Here 50 rupees. Now next question, answer the following questions. Answer the following question. How many notes of rupees 50 make rupees 300? How many notes of rupees 50 make rupees 300? How many notes? In 5 table you get it 30. You get it 30. So start 5 table. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25 and 5 6s are 30. That means 56 are 300. 56 are 300. So 6 note of rupees 50 make rupees 300. 6 notes of rupees 50 make rupees 300. Now next one, how many notes of rupees 20 make rupees 180? In T2 table you get it 18. You get it 18? Yes. 2 multiplied by 9. 2 9s are 18. That means 20 9s are 180. So here how many knots we take it? Here we take 9 knots and 9 knots of rupees 20. It's make rupees 180. So our answer is 9 knots of rupees 20 make rupees 180. Now next question. How many knots of rupees 500, rupees 100 and rupees 5 make rupees 620? Here make rupees 620. We use here three type of currency, 500, 100 and 5, and to make 620. So how many knots we take? Look here, 1 knot of rupees 500, then 1 knot of rupees 100, 500 plus 100, 600, and 5 fours are what? 20. So how many knots we take it? 4 knots take it. So 4 knots of 5 rupees 5 make rupees 620. Rupees 620. Count it. 500 plus 100, 600, and 5 fours are 20. So 600 plus 20, 620. Now another one. How many knots of rupees 100, 50 and rupees 10 make rupees 230? So here 100. So 1, 2 knots of 100. No, only 1 knots. We take here only 1 knots. 1 knot of rupees 100. Then 2 knots of rupees 50. Why we take here 2 knots? Because 50 twos are 100. 50 twos are 100. So we take here 2 knots. And how many knots we take here? 10. How many knots? Here 10 we take here. Here 30. So 10 threes are 30. So we take here 3 knots. So 3 knots of rupees 10 make rupees 230. Now check it one time. 1 knot means 100. 100 plus 100, 200, and 3 tens are 30. So we get answer here 230. Now next one. Harilal took a loan of rupees 300 from bank. Harilal took a loan of rupees 300 from a bank. He will deposit rupees 54 each month. 54 each month. That means every month. Each month means every month. In the bank to 6 months. In the bank up to 6 months. Up to 6 months. Then and Babulal took a loan of rupees 300 from a money lending firm. Money lending firm and returned rupees 360 after 6 months. Who has to pay more money? Who has to pay more money? How much? How much? What we'll do here? We do here multiplication. First you find Harilal took how many money to bank? So look here, Babulal will have to pay more money than Harilal. Total money Harilal has to pay. Total money Harilal has to pay. Every month Harilal pay rupees 54. So up to 6 months. Up to 6 months. He pay up to 6 months rupees 54. So how much money here? So 54 multiplied by 6. 6 4s are 24. So carry over 2. 5 6 are 30 plus 2 32. So here total money Harilal has to pay rupees 324. So here Babulal has to pay how many rupees? Rupees 360. That means Babulal pay more money than Harilal. But how much? So here we do here subtraction. 360 minus 324. Here take it borrow. 10 minus 4 here 6 and 2 5 minus 2 here 3 and here 0 0. So Babulal gave rupees 336 more than Harilal. Babulal gave rupees 36 more than Harilal. Now here complete the table. Complete the table. In this table we find profit and loss. What is profit and what is loss? Look here. Buying price and selling price. You take it some things. Buying price is 325 and selling price is rupees 403. That means you get it profit. You get it profit. But you take it some things in 340 and you sell this thing in rupees 285. So it is less. So you get it here loss. Here you get it here loss. Now here items, buying price, selling price, profit or loss, and how much. Profit how much and loss how much. One table buying price is here 325 and selling price is 403. So selling price is more than buying price. That means here profit. Here what? Here profit. But how much? How much profit? So 403 minus 325. Here 3 minus 5 it is not possible. So take it borrow, but here 0. So here cut 3, cut 4, write here 3, here 13, here 9. 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5. Take it 5 finger before 13, 12, 11, 10, 9 and 8. Here 13 minus 5, 8, 9 minus 2, here 7 and 3 minus 3, here 0. So how much profit? Rupees 78 profit. Here rupees 78. Now next one. Here one chair. Rupees buying price is rupees 340 and selling price is less 285. So here we get it here loss. Here loss. So how much loss? So 340 minus 285. So here got right here 3 and here 10. 10 minus 5 here 5. Again here borrow 2. 13 minus 8 here 5. 2 minus 2 0. 55 rupees loss. How many rupees? How much rupees here loss? 55 rupees loss. 55 rupees loss. Next one. 10 pencils buying price is rupees 35. 10 pencils buying price is 35. Selling price is 40. So more than buying price, selling price is more than buying price. That means here we get profit. Here we get what? Profit. So 35. 40 minus 35. How much rupees we profit here? Of rupees 5. Rupees 5. Again 2 kg apple. 2 kg apple buying price is rupees 390 and selling price is rupees 325. So less, selling price is less than buying price. That means here we get loss. How much? So 390 minus 325. Again 10 minus 5, here 5, 8 minus 2, 6, and here 0. Rupees 65 loss. Here rupees 65 loss. Now next one here. Answer the following question on the basis of detail given in the table. On the basis of details given in the table. Answer of the following questions on the basis of the details given in the table. Here items and price. Here items and price. First item 15 pencil. 15 pencil price is rupees 45. 15 pencil price is rupees 45. Next topic, next item 12 pens. 12 pen price is rupees 200, rupees 120. A stapler price is rupees 240. 4 sharpeners price is rupees 8. 7 fevisticks price is rupees 245. Now some questions here given. What is the cost of 25 pencils? What is the cost of 25 pencil? Here 15 pencil price is given. Here 15 pencil price is given. So first we price 1 pencil's price. 1 pencil's price. How it is possible? So look here, 15 pencil price is 45. So 1 pencil price is what? So 45 divided by 15. Here 45 divided by 15. 15 3s are 45. So we get here answer 0, 0. 3. So 1 pencil price is rupees 3. 1 pencil price is rupees 3. 1 pencil cost. 1 pencil cost is rupees 3. So here 25 pencils cost is what? So 25 multiplied by 3. 3 5s are 15, carry over 1. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. So 25 pencil cost is rupees 75. Rupees 75. Next one. What is the cost of 18 pens? What is the cost of 18 pens? Here 12 pens price is rupees 120. 12 pens price is rupees 120. So 1 pen price is what? So 120 divided by 12. 12 ones are 12. Here we get 0 0. Again here 0 down. 12 zeros are 0. So 1 pen cost rupees 10. 1 pen cost is equal to 10 rupees. So 18 pen cost is what? So 18 multiplied by 10. So rupees 180. Rupees 180. Now next topic. What is the cost of 12 stapler? What is the cost of 12 stapler? So here 8 stapler cost is rupees 240. 8 stapler cost is rupees 240. So 1 stapler cost is what? So 240 divided by 8. 8 3s are 24. 0 0, here 0. 8 zeros are 0. That means 1 stapler's cost is rupees 30. 1 stapler cost is rupees 30. So 12 stapler. So 12 multiplied by 30. Here keep first 0. 3 2s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. So rupees 360. Rupees 360. 60. 12 stapler cost is rupees 360. Now next one, what is the cost of 36 sharpener? What is the cost of 36 sharpener? Here 4 sharpener price is rupees 8. 4 sharpeners price is rupees 8. So 1 sharpener, so divide by 8. 4 2s are 8. So 1 sharpener price is rupees 2. So 36 sharpener, so 36 multiply by 2. 2 6 are 12, carry over 1. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. So 36 sharpener price is rupees 72. Rupees 72. Now next one, what is the cost of 10 fevistick? What is the cost of 10 fevistick? Here 7 fevistick price is rupees 245. 7 fevistick price is rupees 245. So 1 fevistick price is what? So 245 divide by 7. 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. Here 3, here 0 and 7 5s are 35. We get here answer 0 0. So 1 fevistick price is 35. 1 fevistick price is 35. So 10 fevistick price is what? So 35 multiply by 10. Here keep 0 first. Here 5. Here 3. Rupees 350. The cost of 10 fevistick is equal to rupees 350. Now next one. Conversion of money. Conversion of money. So here you already know that rupees 1 is equal to 100 paisa and 100 paisa is equal to 1 rupees. Now we use this formula and here multiply and fill in the blanks. Here keep here answer, fill here answer. So rupees 24. Rupees 24 is equal to how many paisa? How many paisa? So 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. So 24 rupees is equal to how many paisa? So rupees 24 multiplied by 100 is equal to 2400 paisa. Rupees 24 is equal to 2400 paisa. Now next one here, rupees 28.90 is equal to how many paisa? Rupees 28.90 is equal to how many paisa? So this one is the paisa and this one is the rupees. So 28 rupees. 28 rupees. The 28 multiplied by 100 plus 90 is equal to 2800 plus 90. So our answer is 2890 paisa. 2890 paisa. 753 paisa is equal to how many rupees? So 753 divide by 100. So here 7.53 rupees. Rupees 7.5353. Here 1648 paisa is equal to how many rupees? 1648 paisa is equal to how many rupees? So here 1648 divided by 100. So rupees 16.48. Rupees 16.48. Now children, another exercise I solve in another video. So thank you.